Hey, it's Eric with Anchor Realty. I'm in an 1895 classic Victorian. My mama taught me something growing up, and she said, it's what's on the inside that counts. Now surely she wasn't just talking about me. She was talking about the future and homes just like this. In fact, the inside of this home is so stunning and has some of the most unique and beautiful features of the Victorian era that I'm going to show you the inside first. The outside, well, it needs help. And that's where you come in. And stick with me to the end of the video because I have some critical price projections on this particular house because I'm in Juliana-Square, West Virginia's largest and most prestigious historic district. Let me show you around. While I'm showing you around, let me show you some of the unique things about this home. You don't see this in modern homes. And just in case it's too hard to walk around that wall to the kitchen, there's a secret pass-through right there. That's just old school cool. This home has all of its original hardware and fancy things like pocket doors that work. For some reason, everybody loves the back stairwell. The home has a unique curved hallway. You're unlikely to find that feature anywhere else. And this curve is a central feature to this bedroom. The front two bedrooms of the house are connected by this pass-through. One can imagine this as the primary bedroom, as it has its own bathroom, with a pass-through to perhaps the nursery. Of course, both bedrooms have their own private entrance as well. This is a good size home. There are over 2,000 square feet of living space here. There are two full bathrooms on this second floor where the bedrooms are, and there's a half bath on the main floor. We're in the back of the home now. There's a full bathroom here, and you're standing in the fourth bedroom. Now the exterior. No, I'm not doing the work. You're doing the work. Or somebody you know. Besides, have you seen these hands? Whether you're looking to get your foot in the door here in the historic district for a home to call your own or an investment property, The average sale price over the last 36 months of all move-in ready homes here in the district is $260,000. So you've got some figuring to do. Come look at this house. You're going to like what you see.